Hello and welcome. Here are a couple of bars of period drama style music, then I'll show you how to make it. Now, this version has been sped up, but I've also put up a real-time composing version of the session if you prefer that style, link in the description. So, the brief says period drama, and you think, eek! Don't panic, just do this to get yourself started. For a change, I'm going to use BBC SO Core, not professional. So, get all the strings out. Violin 1, 2, viola, cello, bass. Set them all to staccato, except violin 1 on spiccato, or marcato, depending on your library. Then grab some oboes, clarinets and bassoons, all legato. Start with the bass and play in a rhythmic pattern accenting the beats. Now, copy that pattern to the cello and viola, remembering to make sure that they're all playing staccato and you will need to move up an octave each time. Violin 2 are now going to come in on the off beat, again playing staccato. Violin 1 is now going to show off by playing spiccato arpeggios over the top. Now write a melody for the oboe. Copy that down a sixth for the clarinets, but double check the notes. And now copy that clarinet part down an octave to the bassoon. And to finish it off, I'm just going to add a bit of mastering. You don't really need percussion or horns in this sort of music, but now you've got the template, you can do whatever you like. Speaking of likes, did you subscribe as well? Thanks very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.